Ditch the guesswork and hello to effortless calorie tracking. Let's unlock the power of Calorie to smash your fitness goals. First things first, download Calorie and personalize your profile. Accurately input your current weight, target weight, and activity level. This ensures Calorie crafts a tailored calorie plan just for you. Next, logging meals is super simple. Use the search bar for common foods, scan barcodes for packaged goods, or even snap a pic of your plate and let Calorie's smart technology identify the ingredients and estimate the calories. Now, let's dive into macros. Tap into the daily breakdown to see exactly how many grams of protein, carbs, and fats you're consuming, and adjust your meals to stay on track with your personalized targets. And the best part, Calorie isn't just a tracker, it's your pocket-sized nutrition coach. Take advantage of AI-powered insights, which offers tailored meal recommendations and adjustments based on your progress, helping you optimize your diet and reach your objectives.